Hello, friends. It's Danni here of Danni's Dreams. Sorry it has been a little bit since I have made a video. At the beginning of the year, I chose the one little word of change, and I think I am fully embracing that. It seems like everything has changed, which I knew it would, and I'm just kind of trying to figure out like my new place in the world, I guess, since the kids are both, going to be off. Annabelle is in France right now. She's doing well. They lost her luggage, so she was without her luggage for a couple days, but that didn't let her slow her down. And then she's had a couple bouts of motion sickness, but she seems like she's in good spirits. Right now she's with her host family, so that is an amazing opportunity for her. So I can't wait. She gets home in about a week and a half, a week and a couple days. So I can't wait to hear all about her adventures. But this has been a little preview into what my life will be like after the middle of August when she is away at college. And my husband travels through the week during the summer and fall. So I'm all by myself with the critters. So I am discovering I have a lot of time to not only get crafty, but I think also to make some videos. As I mentioned, my word is change, and so I might change things up several times before I figure out what works best for me. So thanks for being patient and just sticking through, and I hope you enjoy what I do put out there. Many of you know that I have a blog. I have been blogging since 2007, so just a little bit. This week, for whatever reason, every single post that has gone live, I get a notification that it is against bloggers' community standards, that it's considered spam, and they unpublish it. Well, typically within 15-20 minutes, it's published again, but it's very frustrating. So I have been toying with the idea of doing a video with each card that I create or each project, but I didn't know. But that kind of pushed me over the edge because I'd like to have a place that maybe if the blog doesn't go up or is pulled because it's spam, whatever, that I would have somewhere else to refer people to see my creations until I get them on social media and all that. So that was a very long explanation for I'm going to try some new things with my videos. We'll see what works. We'll see what doesn't. I have a whole bunch of things already made up for July. Some of them I still have here, so I will do videos for those. A lot of them I've already mailed out, so I will not have videos for those. It is what it is. I'm trying to embrace change. I'm trying to also kind of break out of my always having to have a theme for something. Just gonna create and have fun and share. So today I am sharing a card that I created that I really love how it turned out using this Kraftin Kimmie Are Mer-mazing stamp set. I love this mermaid, her little fishy friends. I love the seahorse. It's just a great stamp set. It was out of stock for a while, but it is back in the Kraftin Kimmie shop, so you can get it all for yourself. Everything that I can find will be listed in the description box below. Some stuff I used, I don't even know if it's still available. Anyways, so I used that. I also used Kraftin Kimmie inks. I used Mermaid Melody and Ocean Opulence. Hope I'm saying that right. I used this Imagine Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray in Frost. I used this very, very old art anthology dimensional gel paint. It was an evergreen color. And it's supposed to have like some sparkle. I've had this, I don't know, maybe 2012, 2015. Don't know that I've ever used it very much. I used it in a way that I don't think it was meant to. I mixed it with water and then I did some splatters. I like how it turned out. Like I said, I don't think that's how it was meant to be used, but hey, I used it. And then I used some glossy accents, which reminds me I'm about out. But I think I'm going to try the Pink and Main, their version of this. Anyways, I digress. And on to the reason that you're here, my card. So I started by stamping the mermaid and the little friends. And then I made masks for them out of some Post-it notes. And I put those masks on. And then I did some ink blending with the Mermaid Melody and the Ocean Opulence Kraftin Kimmie inks. And then I splattered that green paint on there. If you can see, nope. I splattered that first. And then I sprayed that shimmer spray on it. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it is absolutely gorgeous. It has this really pretty shimmer on it. Then next I colored it with some Copics. And then to finish things off, I added some glossy accents to like the bubbles there. And then I added some clear enamel dots. Again, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it is stunning, the shimmer on it. And then on the inside, it says, always be yourself unless you can be a mermaid. And then I have her stamped in there. So there is my mermaid card for today. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's one layer, but it also kind of gives that dimensional feel to it. I don't know. I really am pleased. It was fun to just sit down and play with no particular challenge or goal in mind. So thanks so much for stopping by. I decided I'm also going to continue Saturday Showcase to a certain degree. If I send a card out, it just won't be in the Saturday Showcase, but I am going to try to do that for those of you who like to just see all the creations in one place. I have several cards built up, so I will have that up tomorrow, along with another card for a Kraftin Kimmie challenge. So I will be back tomorrow. I hope you have a fabulous day, and thanks again for sticking it out and staying around my channel. Have a great day. Bye.